Hey, Music Therapy Laz here. That's right. We received, I had to turn the music off. We received this morning. Came in this morning. That's right. Music Therapy Laz here. I received the proper box. Look, it's exactly the same size. The other one, I already threw the other one away. It's exactly the same size as the other one I got that I unpackaged that had the wrong stuff in it. But I'm going to be sending these to Brendan. That's right. Oh, come on. Focus. Bourbon gummy bears. He likes bourbon, as do I. Recently acquired the taste, thanks to the Tone Talk dudes. That's right, Mark Kazansky and Dave Friedman, whose amp I will someday own, but most likely in a Synergy System version, because that makes the most sense to me in a studio setting. But yeah, I wanted to thank Fruitcake Tony and Brendan B for voice squared for sending me this this gift, which I actually won. I won this. This is actually going to be very, very cool. So this is a pre-unboxing video because I wanted to invite Brendan back on again and do the unboxing properly with him, and also discuss the custom design of my Bumblebee cigar box guitar that I will have him make. You know, I was thinking about making one myself too, but do I have time for this? I don't have the studio set up. It's like, in here. It's getting there. It's getting there, actually. But, you know, just wanted to say thanks to these guys. And, of course, I'm wearing my Gizmochi, not Jizz, Gizmochi shirt. My good friend Johnny Bean, turned me on to all this cool stuff, you know. Was hanging out with him a little bit Monday, delivered his birthday present to him, his copy of the new Wolfgang Van Halen. That's right, the Mammoth WVH album. Go get it, listen to it, enjoy it because it rocks. As does this Gizmochi album. Right there, you notice the sticker over there too, right there? That's a Gizmochi sticker right there. Should I show you guys? Let me bring it up close a little bit more. Oh, it just fell behind the amp. Ooh, I think saved by the cabling, the cord. Yeah, I think this has something to do with Gizmochi. This is the company. Oh, this is the merchandising company. Well, I don't know. You tell me, Jay. Has something to do with your Gizmochi album? I forget the name of the album. It's some weird Greek thing or something. I don't know. Anyway, something like Alpha, Omega, Epsilon, something or another. But yeah, stay tuned for this. I don't even know when we're gonna do it. We might do it tomorrow night, Thursday night, maybe before or after one of the other shows that are on, depending on when Brendan's available, because I kind of threw it out to him. Or perhaps we'll just wait till Sunday morning. Sunday morning's Music Therapy Laz Guitar Mod Squad show now moved to Sundays at 9:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, right before our good buddy Mike, China Mike from CGS on YouTube. And of course, don't forget to go catch Johnny Bean with Jay Hannon, guitar soloist of Gizmochi. That's right. Go check out Jay, as they call him in whatever stan, Hunan, Jay Hunan. I think that's Mankudistan. That's right, in Mankudistan, somewhere out there in the world. There's a place called Mankudistan where Jay Hunan resides. Anyway, I digress. I just wanted to do a pre-unboxing here for you all, and you know, just throw this up there for you all for your viewing pleasure. And I will be unboxing it. Get yourself a Gizmochi CD or buy the digital music off all the various places where you can get it. Gizmochi, that's right. Awesome band. They were Gent before Gent was even Gent. So no one knows this, but the world will soon know. Gizmochi. created gent. That's right. It was Gizmochi. They were the first one. So we're going to unbox that with Brendan B Squared on the show, either Sunday morning at 9:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, whatever that is in your part of the world. Join me. I don't have Roxy. Roxy's gone. I think she's out there. Maybe somebody else adopted her. I've been given all kinds of advice to check here, check there, check there. We'll keep checking as we are. But we're also looking into getting a Rocky. I don't know if we're going to really call him Rocky. I'm kind of throwing that out there to my sweetie. We'll see if she'll agree with me. But we're going to get a boy, Roxy type Pacific parrot-lip bird, for her late birthday, kind of. Even though she got a birthday present, I'm going to get her a late birthday present with that. And then I don't know if we're going to have Rocky or whatever the bird's name's going to be on the show or not. It's very difficult working with animals, but you know me. I love animals, so... if you don't know me, you should know. I love animals. So we will have, the bird, whatever the name of the bird's going to be, hopefully Rocky. Because I thought it would have been cool if they were together, Roxy and Rocky, but it didn't work out that way. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. But other than that, I have some musical things planned in the very near future. I have a promise out to Lori Lori, of doing a tuxedo-dressed version of some piano piece, some classical piece. Probably my girlfriend's, my sweetie's girlfriend. We've been together 10 years, so longer than my previous marriage. So we're beyond boyfriend-girlfriend stuff. But, we're partners. Partners in all the good things in life. And, it's one of her favorite pieces. So, classical pieces. And I taught her how to play it. So, you may know it's one of Beethoven's best known pieces, for Elise, which means for Elise, which is something that was found amongst some items of his and attributed to having been written by Beethoven. And I think there's not too much controversy to that, but it's one of those interesting things where there you are, one of the greatest composers of all time, and in your day, no one discovers the piece that turns out to be probably your best known piece of classical music. Incredible. Outside of Fifth of Beethoven, who doesn't know that? And of course, that kind of music inspired like this piece of music that you just heard in the beginning here. So classical music, amazing stuff. I love classical music. I actually gave away tickets to my friend Elliot to take his birthday that I got from my good friend Oni Mama, as we call her. Thank you, Oni Mama. You contributed to the continuing aspirations of young Elliot Macaulay, who would like to continue his I guess you could call it his career or whatever. He's studying towards that and other things, but he conducts classical music at times, and that's pretty amazing. So good for you, Elliot. And man, it's going to be a great summer. We're really looking forward to this summer. A little bit of vacationing as well. So I keep talking and talking and talking as I do. I should just probably leave before I end up doing this. So let's just end it with this. Thank you for watching this pre-unboxing, and join us for whenever I put the notification up. Hit that notification bell. Yeah, I don't say this enough. I was talking to Johnny Bean about this, and this is something that's crucial, I think, to YouTube kind of creators, or whatever you want to call what I do. I don't know what it is. I just kind of jumped on doing it because I was inspired by him and others, and I want to try to share my musical journey with you all. And it's kind of haphazard, it's hard to do this in some real professional way when you have other work and this isn't your job. I'd love to be able to throw my whole life into this, but you gotta eat. So at some point, if I was able to make this into something more and have it to be a viable type of career, if you want to call it that would be awesome. But I'm still figuring it out. So I just want to say, building a brand, building what you are on YouTube is an important thing. And Johnny Bean and I were chatting quite a bit about that. He's a really cool guy and a real helpful guy. So go check out his shows. He's got some really funny shows and some really good informational shows, as well as, a talented musician in his own right as well. I hope to spend a little more time with him this summer. And some of my other friends that are nearby, like Jack the Rabbit. I got another buddy of mine and some family members and other friends too that play music that I hope to put more up, including this Saturday. I might have some live music that's going to go up if I can video some of it for for you guys this Saturday. So I don't know what I'll be playing on those videos, but I might be playing keyboards, guitar, bass, and possibly drums. Not all at the same time like Wolfgang. Somehow Wolfgang Van Halen managed to clone himself and do a video with his clones doing the whole song. I don't know how he did that. It's magic. YouTube magic, right? But the bottom line is that I'll probably be doing those parts individually. Someday I'll learn how to do this kind of video magic stuff too. I might take some classes on that in the near future. So, with no further ado, I'll end the show with saying my tagline, which is, and this is something I put together from different, philosophies in life, including music, which is, the secret to tone. We're all chasing that, right? Secret to tone is in your mind, but the feel comes from your heart. You got to put the mind and the heart, the subjective, the concrete thinking and the subjective, feeling part together. Combine that with your musical talents and whatever you're using, whatever you're using. Don't lose it. Don't lose your talents. Whatever you're using, put those things together with your hands, feet, toes, tongues, ears, tummies, whatever you might even use your knees. I don't know what else you could possibly use your elbows for music. I haven't seen that yet. It's possible. Teeth. I've seen people play. Like I heard, recently some chatter about how Steve Vai had to one up Eddie Van Halen when he was with the Roth band, David Lee Roth band, and he had to live do a version of Eruption, but he had to do it his own way and didn't want to totally copy Eddie, so he did it with his teeth. Not upside down though. I mean, that would have really been something. But without further ado, yes, mind, heart, put them together. Music, make it. Have a great day, you guys. Hump Day Wednesday. Music Therapy Laz signing out. Laters.